Prior to colouring, divide the hair into an asymmetrical horseshoe section as shown. Pre-lighten this section with a back-to-back slicing technique using white up and 6% colour develop. To ensure an even penetration of colour, make sure the sections are very fine and adjacent to one another. Use delicate brush strokes at the top of the foil to control the application and ensure even coverage at the roots. Notice how the angle of the section alters around the front area. Now continue in this manner until the second side is reached, where the angle of the foils will need to pivot to allow for the shape of the section. Notice how the folding of foil alters when the corners of the section are reached. Now colour the remainder of hair with a classic tint application procedure, using 60 millilitres of 9/4 very light blonde red and 15 millilitres of 8/3 light blonde orange and 4 millilitres of pink Intensitone. These are all combined with 75 millilitres of 6% colour develop. Take fine sections and use delicate brush strokes around the hairline. This is key to achieving a natural even coverage in this area. gentle brush strokes in between the pre-lightened foils. Now allow these colours to develop. After the colour has processed, subdivide the previously lightened section into 3 distinct areas as shown, and isolate the rest of the hair with foil. Using a back-to-back slicing technique, colour the first section using 10 millilitres of 9-stroke 1 very light blonde brunette with 10 millilitres of 8-stroke 2 light blonde gold and 5 millilitres of yellow Intensitone. These are all combined with 25 millilitres of 3% colour develop. As before, ensure that fine sections are taken and delicate brush strokes are used at the roots. Notice once again how the foil is folded to reflect the angle and width of the section. The second section is coloured in the same manner as the first, using the following combination: 15 millilitres of clear Intensitone and 15 millilitres of 9-stroke 5 very light blonde violet, both mixed with 30 millilitres of 3% colour develop. Pivot the foils to follow the shape of the section. section in this pre-lighten area uses a mixture of 5 milliliters of 9/2 very light blonde gold, 5 milliliters of 9/4 very light blonde red, and 5 milliliters of gold Intensitone, all combined with 15 milliliters of 3% Colour Develop. Once again, use a back-to-back slicing technique. Now allow the colours to process. Here is the finished colour. Notice how the effect of the colour changes depending on the way the hair is dressed.